Okay guys, we're back at the computer. The Dell. No, I don't want to scan my computer at this time. Finish. That's going to download the latest security update, so don't let it do that. Oh, wrong folder. I'm going to put OpenOffice on here now. After this, I'll go ahead and shut it down and put another stick of memory in here. I think I got something that'll work. Hope it's DDR. It's gotta be. While that's installing, I'm going to talk to y'all about my next possible future projects. Anyway, I got that one. I'm going to do a video on by itself. These two, I'm going to put them together, see if I can put them together and make one working computer. Like this one has a possible good power supply motherboard, while this one doesn't, but you never know. I'll see which one's the better one and test it, see if it's any good. That's gonna be sold. That down there is gonna be sold. I got a bunch of stuff in that closet that I'm gonna sell. There's a switch there I'm gonna sell. And this thing. There's another stereo right there I'm going to sell. Then I just got all kinds of stuff in the storage area. That I'm going to sell. So I'm expected to make about $300 off this little antique alley deal if everything pans out. It's only 3 days, but last day, if I don't have anything sold, it's going for cheap. Like, for example, if them doors don't sell for 50, I'll do them for 25 or 30. Whatever I don't sell, I got to try to sell on Craigslist then. Craigslist or Tradefair. And if you're not for sure what Tradefair is, if you're in the North Texas area, excuse me. If you're in the North Texas area, you can turn to 1460 AM on your AM radio dial every Monday through Saturday from 8/8:30 to 11 AM. And you can buy, sell, or trade, or give away items or services, as long as it's not something you do as a business. Like, for example, like if I owned a computer shop, I can't, like a storefront computer shop, I can't put my shit on Tradefair. You can buy, sell, trade, or give away items and do stuff that you don't do on a regular basis, like I was saying, the business thing. But Jimmy Aiken's the guy who usually hosts it, and he's pretty funny. Oh man, he's a goofball. Anyways, occasionally I'll try to sell a computer or something on Tradefair, and you don't have to really buy, sell, or give away an item. You can ask for something. Like, say you're looking for something, you could tell them I'm looking to buy, for example, a truck, or I'm looking for a nanny for my kids or something like that. Tradefair is pretty cool when it comes to that, because usually on that kind of stuff you get calls. But it's like today I put an ad on there for the GX270. I'm gonna hit finish on this. It's still updating. Yes, I do have slow internet, but anyways, I put that on Tradefair this morning, and I got a call on it, just like almost immediately after I got off the phone, and a guy didn't show up. Like, I mean, it's just guys say he wants it, but he doesn't come over here and buy it. That computer, I'm gonna probably sell for $60, $50 or $60. So, like I said, I got a lot of stuff I'm gonna be moving. Oh, excuse me. Mom's got a computer desk that we're gonna try to sell, and I got a set of speakers up there I'm going to sell. Hamburg Soundwork speakers. I just now seen them. Anyways, we're going to let this finish update, and I'll be right back for another part.